Hello, I've been testing the Sennheiser MKE 200 microphone. It's an on-camera microphone with my Nikon Z6 camera. And I like this microphone in terms of its form factor. It's kind of cute looking and it doesn't require any external power or batteries to operate. And so it seems to me that this would be very convenient to use if I can get it to work with the camera properly. The problem that I've run into is that the microphone is picking up clicking sounds from the camera autofocus system. And if you watched a couple of the videos I've already posted, you can hear those sounds. What I've done here is I've gone into the autofocus custom menu, G4 and G5, and set those to basically slow down the focus and the focus tracking so that hopefully the focus system is responding more slowly and therefore at least reducing the amount of clicking sounds. Anyway, I hope the sounds have been improved. Let me know what you think. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.